going to put together the Cuginos basic base for the shippers. So when it comes, you're laying down like that in the box. What you want to do is take that main part, fold it out just like that, and then it opens up into kind of like a square, just like this. On the bottom, these little feet that fold in. Really simple. Just get a good crease on them. Flip it around. Alright, this is the tricky part, kind of. So, this main flap has a crease right here. It also has bends back, and it's going to make like an L shape. Just like that, and that's eventually what the main part of the shipper is going to be sitting on. So the next thing you want to do is take these little tabs right here, shaped like triangles, and you want to fold them in. Alright? And then these next two flaps, the crease goes, see this little divot right here, this is where the crease is, and they fold in just like that. Other side, crease right here at this little divot, folds in just like that. Okay? That's going to be the back. So you got things down. This front part sits down like that. And the final step is these two tabs right here at the top. There's two little slits right here in these. You just slide in like so. And that's your base. Take your shipper with your product, set it up just like that. That's it.